Welcome back to another tech tip by Appliance video. Today, we're going to take a look at where to look up the meaning of error codes on your appliance. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of videos on the latest technology. For a limited time, you could save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. One of the most frequent questions appliance technicians are asked is what specific error codes mean. From an F1 error code to an E6, E7 error, there are hundreds of error codes on different appliances from different manufacturers. But what do they mean? Error codes are extremely handy, as they help determine what to look for when you're having a problem with your appliance. Some error codes, such as an out of balance or over suds error, can be corrected by simply disconnecting power to the unit and letting the control board reset, along with adjusting the clothes in your washer to properly balance, or removing some detergent from your detergent cup and letting it go through another cycle. Though most of the time it's not this simple. In many cases, error codes cannot be corrected by rebooting your control board. These error codes are going to continue to pop up until your issue is corrected. How do I find out what the error code means? You can search online for the meaning of an error code. Just be sure to include the make and model of your appliance, as some manufacturers use the same code for different issues. However, sometimes you won't be able to simply Google the error code, and instead, you have to visit a specific website to find out what your code is. Websites like ApplianceVideo.com or Repair Clinic are good places to find videos that can give you information about your error code and what it will take to correct your problem. Another place is to check your appliance's technician manual. All manufacturers create a technician manual for each appliance. In many cases, this is located within the body of your machine. Just be sure to always unplug your appliance when looking for this hidden tech sheet. If you don't find it, there's a good chance the manufacturer has made a digital-only version available, and you will need to check online for it. These tech manuals help the technician know to run that specific unit through the diagnostic mode, and helps them determine what your error codes mean. When they are stored within the appliance, these sheets are usually hidden in multiple places. In refrigerators, they could be down by the kick plate assembly within a plastic insert, or they could be up on the top of the refrigerator by the hinge assembly. In washers, they are most commonly located behind the control panel. Always disconnect power before attempting to find this technician manual. Dryer tech sheets are usually located behind the control panel or down by the bottom drawer assembly. In dishwashers, they are located down by the bottom plate assembly, usually on the inside of the door in a plastic insert. Ranges and oven tech manuals are often located near the bottom of the drawer assembly in a plastic insert. For cooktops, the tech manuals are located underneath the cooktop assembly, and a lot of the times they need to be uninstalled to find the technician sheet. It is also very important to always put this sheet back after use for the next technician that will need to use it. Hey, if this video helped you, like the video and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next one.